Hello, what is up mga ma'am, sir, ma'am? Ako po si Ralph Cifra, isang visual artist from Manila, and today we are going to unbox and review the Marvel Infinity Saga ZD Toys Wanted Scale Iron Man Collections, Marvel Studios Iron Man 3, Iron Man Mark 22 or Hot Rod. Dito sa front of the box, you have the artwork, tapos merong mga circuit pattern sa likod, then you have the ZD Toys logo, Marvel Studios Iron Man 3 logo, Mark 22 sa gilid, you have the Zongdong Toy na barcode, and you have a Disney seal. Ibig sabihin, ito ay original and authentic, hindi siya KO, hindi siya fake, hindi siya bootleg. And then you have the shot of the action figure, front and back, dynamic poses, all accessories, Chinese text here, QR code, barcode, and then dito sa part na to, you have the flap, magnetic flaps to protect the action figure. Sa first tray, you have the action, nandito naka-store yung action figure, and then sa second tray, nandun naman yung mga accessories. So, thank you very much, Laro Anan, for sending this action figure for unboxing and review and customization. Yan. Kung gusto niyo pumunta, kung gusto niyo makabili ng Iron Man Mark 22 Hot Rod for 1,450 only, punta lang kayo sa Laro Anan on Facebook. Just type LARUANAN, okay, for Laro Anan. Thank you very much again, Laro Anan, for sponsoring this video. Out of the box, this is a very solid piece again from ZD Toys. The paint job is well done. Ganda ng pagka-hot rod dito sa legs. Look at the hot rod fire design dito sa kanyang legs. And then dito naman sa kanyang arms, red gradient from the arms papunta dito sa kanyang shoulder. So yun yung pinaka design motif niya. So yung red gradient plus additional flames dito sa legs, and yung red arms na papunta dito, yung red gradient sa arms papunta naman dito sa kanyang shoulders. And then everything else is black and silver. Yung kanyang finish, very matte dito sa body, and then gloss dito sa may red na parts. Now, this measures around 7 inches tall or 1/10 scale. Zoom in tayo para makita natin yung mga armor details. Dito sa head, yung faceplate niya silver, tapos may mga panel lines dito across the face and the head. And then you have the chin design there. Tapos meron siyang mga silver accents dito sa kanyang upper part ng chest. Yung kanyang arc reactor na hindi yan umiilaw. So we have the non-LED version. Sana in the future magkaroon sila ng mga LED versions. You have the silver parts here, silver sections. Tapos I think ito mas dark, very dark gray. Parang yep, it's very dark gray. Para siyang Iron Man War Machine Mark 2 na meron lang siyang hot rod na pattern or paint pattern design dito sa legs and kanyang feet. Shoulder armor is the same sa Mark 2. Yeah, everything is the same except yung paint application sa arms and legs. Tapos dito sa kanyang arm accessory, meron lang siyang maliit na I think arm accessory na I think some sort of a blaster na pwede nyo ikabit dito sa kanyang left arm. Okay? Tapos yung kanyang cover, ito medyo maliit lang kaya dinikitan ko na rin ng blue tack para hindi siya mawala. Tapos dito sa legs, halos the same lang din sa Mark 2, War Machine Mark 2. You have the silver parts, armor plates here, combination ng dark gray, silver, and red. Ganda ng gradient dito sa part na to. Yan, so dyan yung transition ng paint from the red to the dark gray na part. Then dito meron din siya mga panel lines sa kanyang back of the legs. Dito naman sa back, meron siyang slot. I think pwede, pag makakagawa kayo ng mga additional weapons, baka pwede nyo lagyan to ng some sort of a gun or laser na pwede nyo i-mount sa likod since meron siyang mounting options. I think pwede rin i-mount. Hindi. Kasi meron tong peg eh. Inisip ko baka pwede i-peg dito. Hindi pala pwede. Okay. So yun, sa likod, ito yung pinakagusto kong part dito, yung sa legs niya. We have the flames, hot rod flames. Yung dito sa mas lower part ng legs, ayun, natanggal na. sa lower part ng legs, you have the orange or mas gold na flame. Tapos dito naman sa mas upper part ng thighs niya or back of the legs, mas orange na yung finish. Very nice transition. Ang ganda ng pagkakagawa nila ng mga gradients. And super sharp din ang masking nila dito sa flame design. Para makuha nila yung hot rod effect. Sa accessories, merong 4 na blast effects na you can equip dito sa ilalim ng kanyang feet or sa kanyang hands. Yung hands, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 na alt hands. And very detailed design din. Very sharp din yung sculpt ng kanyang hands. So even yung mga divisions ng kanyang fingers, merong mga gray na parts. And then you also have the hexagonal base stand with the Marvel Studios Iron Man 3 logo, 1/10 scale Iron Man 3 collections. Tapos meron kang waist grabber if you want some dynamic positions na poses ni Iron Man Mark 22. Okay, articulation tayo. Head up, down, left. Can we do 360? Pwede 360. Okay. Tapos arms, move out. Okay. 360, 360. Ikot, bicep swivel, elbow, double jointed, ball joint yung kamay. Tapos you can also move the shoulder armor away, and then you can extend yung kanyang shoulders for better range of motion. You can extend the torso upwards for additional range of motion. You can bend, ab crunch, and then ito, pwede mong tanggalin itong part na to. Wait lang. Medyo mahirap lang ito. Ayan, pupush nyo lang from the inside para magkaroon kayo ng outward motion dun sa legs. And then pull down for additional range. Twist, kick, double jointed knee, and ball joint yung paa. Okay, more information about the Iron Man Mark 22 dito sa Marvel Cinematic Universe.fandom.com. Unlike the first and second versions of the War Machine armor, the Hot Rod armor has no external weapons, but still contain repulsors and a rectangular unibeam. This armor is a very basic version of the War Machine armor Mark II and featured technology comparable with that of the Mark V and Mark VII. This suit of armor might be a reference to a line from the first Iron Man movie where Tony Stark tells Jarvis to add some hot rod red to the Iron Man Mark III armor's color scheme, as well as Tony's vast collection of hot rods. Alright, overall, this is a very nice addition sa inyong Iron Man collection. Kung nagko-collect kayo ng mga ZD Toys na Iron Man armors, this one can complete yung House Party Protocol armors. So yun, that's it. If you want to order this, punta lang kayo sa Laruanan for 1,450 pesos only. Okay? So that's it. Thank you very much for watching and see you sa next video. Bye-bye.